I hope you are well. Today is World Menstrual Health Day, and we ask you today to join us in raising awareness on period poverty. We would also like to extend a thank you to everyone who has played a role, no matter how minor, in achieving our goal of providing 2,500 sustainable sanitary towels to orphanages in Kenya. We thank you to everyone who's attended the before and after school sessions, all of the women who are sewing pads for us during quarantine, everyone who's donated material, cut material, shared contacts with us, or even just engaged in a conversation about this stigmatized issue. We are enthusiastically chasing our goal with only a few pads left, and we want to prioritize the environmental friendliness of our pads, and thus we've chosen to continue to use secondhand material.
With the goal of sustainability in mind, it would be amazing if we could keep these donations incoming. As a reminder as to what we're looking for, it's cotton, towels, and curtains. They need not necessarily be curtains, just any thick material that we can use to make bags from would be excellent. As for the cotton, it's preferred that it's not white and doesn't have any faces of humans or animals on them. If you do find that you have something to donate, it would be extremely kind of you if you could drop it off at the security gate at JESS Arabian Ranches with a label of JESS Period Poverty on it. Thank you for your continued support and generosity towards this project, and it's important now that we finish our goal regardless of our current situation.
As mentioned previously, the situation we are currently in has made the achievement of our goal more important than ever. Menstruation is a monthly occurrence, and women all around the world are in dire need of help. With that in mind, and remembering that today is World Menstrual Hygiene Day, we urge you to help and understand that no donation is too small. Thank you for your continued support. Unfortunate situations like these are faced by people all around the world, and it is important you know that you can play an active role in aiding the wider community.